In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Maps view to your Trello boards. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Trello account and navigate to the specific board where you want to add that exciting Maps view. Once you're on your board, look toward the top of the page. There, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Views. Click on that, and from the list of available options, select Map. Now, if this is your first time using the Maps view for this board, you may see a prompt asking you to enable it. Just click to enable the Maps view, and you'll be good to go. All right, now that we have our Maps view up and running, let's create a location-based card. You'll want to focus on the geographic area that's relevant to your task. This could be anywhere you need it to be, perhaps the location of a client meeting or the site of your next project. To create a card, simply double-click directly on the exact spot on the map where you'd like the card to be. As soon as you do that, a dialog box will pop up. Here, you can type a clear and descriptive title for your location. For instance, you might type Client Meeting or Project Site. Be as specific as possible, as this will help you and your team remember the details later on. Now that we have our location card created, let's talk about organizing it within your board. You'll need to decide which list you want this location card to appear in. This could be To Do, In Progress, or any other list you have tailored to your project needs. Once you've chosen the list, position the card where you'd like it to sit within that list, either at the top, the bottom, or anywhere in between. After you've set everything in place, you'll click Add to finalize the new card. Trello will pin the card to that spot on the map, and you'll see it appear within your chosen list on the board. How handy is that? Now let's discuss how to manage and sync all the details on the card. You can return to your main board view at any time to see the newly created card right inside its assigned list. If you click on the card, you'll have the ability to add more details, like a description, checklists, or even attachments. You might want to include due dates or assign team members to this task as well. What's really great about Trello is that any information you add to the card, whether you're in the map view or the standard board view, will stay synced across both platforms, so there's no need to worry about losing any crucial details. Everything is seamlessly integrated. And there you have it. Now you know how to add a Maps view to your Trello boards. This feature can be incredibly useful for tracking location-based tasks and keeping your team organized. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.